Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Thank you, our honorable teacher, for giving me this golden chance to talk about the topic. Today, our selected topic is advantage and disadvantages of satellite channel. So, to start with, a satellite channel can make the world closer. So, do you all remember the concept of Sir Marcel McLuhan declared? It's all about the global village concept. The world is now getting closer nowadays. So it's all about just for the grace of technology, and technology have developed our satellite channels. So by the modern science, our satellite channels is broadcasting a lot of things. A satellite channel can bring all the news, all the sports, all the updates, what's happening throughout the world at once. So it's all in your hand. So you can get all the information using satellite channel throughout the satellite channel. So next, I'm going to talk about something that I have experienced. So a few months ago, FIFA World Cup 2023 at Qatar was happened. So I have watched the final match between Argentina and France. That was an excellent match. I have enjoyed this match using the satellite channel. So this is one of the great advantage of our invention of technology. That technology invented satellite channel. So there are a lot of advantages too. Besides, we can get a lot of things like educational contents throughout the satellite channel. Think about corona situation. Back in COVID-19 situation, whole country was locked down, right? We can even go outside properly without mask and taking the health sanitizations and so much stuff. So think about corona situation again. I'm talking about the education sector. The whole students were unable to go their universities, college or madrasa or their coaching centers. At the time, our government, Bangladeshi government, has declared a project named Amar Ghore, Amar School. Your school is at your home. So this is the great advantage of a satellite channel that bring all the students updated to their study. So these are some advantages of satellite channels. Now I'm going to talk about some disadvantages of satellite channels. There are a lot of disadvantages of satellite channels as well. To start with, our children get addicted to screen addictions. You know, screen addiction is very harmful for health. Foremost, every children use their tab, mobile phone, or watching TV for a long time. So by watching satellite channels, they are addicted to watch some cartoons or that kind of stuff. By satellite channel, there are a lot of things happening towards our country, like Western cultures are getting into our culture. So this is really hampering our own culture. It is destroying our own creativeness. So we have to be aware about it. So we don't better misuse the use of satellite channels. We should accept the good things. Everything has a good side or bad side. So we must accept the good sides, let the bad sides away. So thus we can resolve this problem. So these were some advantages and disadvantages of satellite channel. Now I would like to finish here today. See you some other day. In the conclusion, I would like to thank our honorable teacher for giving me a golden chance. Thank you, everybody. See you some other day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.